Today we'll be installing a new solution for select Ram Promaster models 2022 to 2025, the 95-6561. To start the disassembly, remove the two vents. After, remove the 4 screws from the radio. Then, unplug and remove the radio. After attaching the brackets to the back of the housing, slide the radio into place within the housing. Once we have the brackets and radio together, we have completed assembly as seen here. After making all of our proper connections, place the radio back into the dash. Reassemble the dash in reverse order of disassembly to finish this installation. Secure the radio with the 4 screws. Place the 2 vents back in the dash. Visit metraonline.com or accessinterfaces.com for antenna adapters, audio, video, and steering wheel control interface options. For any more information on this product or other products like this one, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.